Hey, down in the basement of an old home. So let's look at this foundation over on this side. What you're looking at here is you've got a parge coat going over a brick foundation wall. Kind of see it in here. Where you've got that concrete covering coming in. But then you can also tell the way this sucker's really starting to bow out on this side, and they've tried to support it by putting another column in here and taking a girder with a post on the other side. But what you can see down here at the bottom is all that pressure is actually pushing through on the floor as well, because you've got such a load from this bowing wall coming down into this point. So they're probably going to need some reinforcements to help support this home up above. But give me a call, help you all out. Have a good one, man.